Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a downloadable file on System.io. This is perfect if you're creating a funnel and want to offer resources like PDFs, guides, or any other files that your visitors can easily download directly from your page. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to System.io. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can access all your funnels and pages. Now in the top toolbar, navigate to Sites, then select Sales Funnels. This will bring up all the funnels you've created. From this list, click on the funnel where you want to add the downloadable file. This opens up the funnel structure, showing you all the pages within that funnel. In the right panel, you'll see an option to edit page. Go ahead and click that. This takes you into the page editor where you can customize and add elements to your page. The editor interface is split into two main sections, the left panel where all your elements are and the main canvas where you build. In the left panel, drag the text button onto your page. This adds a text element that you'll use to create your download link. Once the text appears on your canvas, click on it to start editing. Rename the text to something clear and inviting, for example, click this to download. This makes it obvious to your visitors that clicking the text will trigger a download. After typing your text, highlight it by clicking and dragging over the words. Next, click the link icon, which looks like a chain symbol, in the text toolbar that appears below the text. This opens up the linking options. From the options that appear, click Link to a File button. This is what allows you to attach an actual file to the text. Now click to Upload. This opens a file browser on your computer. Navigate to the file you want to add, click on it, then click Open. The file will upload to System.io, and you'll see it appear in the interface. Give it a moment to finish uploading, especially if it's a larger file. Once the upload is complete, click Insert, then click Confirm. This finalizes the link and attaches the file to your text. Your visitors will now be able to click that text and download the file directly. In the upper right corner, click Save to make sure all your changes are stored. It's always a good idea to save your work before previewing or leaving the editor. Finally, click the Preview button, which is located beside the Save button in the upper right. This opens a preview of your page so you can test the download link yourself. Click the text you added and make sure the file downloads correctly. And that's it. You've successfully added a downloadable file to your System.io funnel, making it easy for your audience to access the resources you're offering. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.